want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now your girl, Bibi, I don't come back again. You know, they say now, Pikin when get sense, they advise himself. Pikin when no get sense, he go they wait make people they advise him. You be girl, you don't grow up, you don't finish university, you don't get small work when you they do. You don't get boyfriend we say he like you. He don't they say make una start, make una they do things. When he waka, he go they look am for shoe. Nah, in like you right now, in they cry like saying now only you there for this war. He they follow you everywhere where you they go. When you see how they come, you go they tell friend when I go they laugh, ha 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 ha. When I go they laugh, you know fine, you know get money. See as in yash flat, you know do this, you know do that. Ma tell you something. Maybe you did 25 years or you did 30 years, you even did 32 years. You see as you they flourish like this, you they fine, you they shine, you they get everything. You know they like that forever. Time go reach when be say, now you go they waka they find these men. You know go even fit see them. Then they scarce, so you get time where they scarce. Now, if you get boyfriend when be say, you don't see I'm saying get future. You don't see I'm saying they very hardworking. When you and Ande, you they see him the whole night, you know they sleep. He go sleep for like 5 hours. He don't get up. He they find what he go do. What he they do this, do that. May you know say now man will be say, God go use bless you. Make you know they carry your hand, they go hang where your hand no feel rich. You come from very poor home. You they look for prince where you go marry. You come from very poor home. You they look for king where you go marry. Now their disappointment they come. And not be say at the talk say you know get right to aspire for something good, but make your expectations they real. If you get boyfriend where they very hardworking, we say make una marry, make una begin the work this whole thing together. May you agree or if you love them. May you know they follow friends. They do runs. You jump from here, Port Harcourt, Lagos, Abuja, and all of that. How long? And to what end? You know they pay. You know go fit pay you. You know fit bring anything into your life. Make you know say time there for everything. Make you know say time there for everything. Everything for this world get time. You will get think about time like that too. That man will no get today, if he get tomorrow. And when he get tomorrow, if not better man, he go take care of you. You don't see Peggy, Oviere, and Freddie Lona. You know here she they talk say Freddie they spoil her silly because he promised and say he go spoil her. And I say some men know they good though, but not be all men no good. Some good where. Maybe if you don't know, the reason why me I fit tell you this kind of be say me self I marry man way good where. Where be say he get hard, human being hard. Now he still get. You go hold your man, the one way you get now, make una plan together, make una start life. When you born your children early, they begin they grow na good thing. When you start with man, where be say you know meet am with anything, now you and follow bill, you they get confidence at the end of the day. No, they sit down, they find ready-made man. Ready-made men no day again. All the ready-made men where they see they belong to somebody, they go deceive you all. Nyashu finish. You know, carry while you finish. One day you go say they don't disappoint. Now because they go for the person where be say follow the ground with them, make them begin plant. So I not go talk plenty today because I just come back. So make you take this one, make you listen to wetin I don't talk and make it make sense to you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel for more gist for you, for more touring, my people. Subscribe.